Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set limitation on product creation for specific username in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our username Hassan. We added one product, but we are going to limit product for username. So specific username only add specific product like one product, two product or five product by using custom code. So we are going to add restriction or limitation. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this code only affect specific username, other username will not affect from this code. Now you see set the limit for number of product. So you can add 1, 2, 5, any value. Now we set 1, and then you see current user ID and username. Now you see allowed username, so you can add username. So we are going to add Hassan, and then you see message. You have reached the limit of product you can add. So you can customize this message according to your requirement. Then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to another username. So we are in username Hassan and refresh the page. So we already added one product against this username, and then click on add new product again. So we add limitation 1 for this username specific. Now you see message. You have reached the limit of product you can add. So in this way you can set limit or restriction for specific username. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.